Okay guys, this is my baby Masiha. As you can hear, she got hiccups. And what we normally do is, we used to put the cotton on her, the string on her forehead. We used to pat her back and all that, but now my mother suggested something. She suggested just to put some honey on her, and it worked. But I'm gonna show you. Just hold on. I'm gonna show you that we tried it this morning and it worked. So I'm just dipping my finger in some honey, just a little bit like that, and I'm going to show you if it works now, then it can work for you too. Open. He doesn't like it because it's a foreign taste at first. And as you can see, the hiccups are gone. So I don't know, this is just the normal off the shelf honey we bought. You guys can try it too, and hopefully it can help your baby with her hiccups.